In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI and a knowledge base to transform customer service with Salesforce. This is a powerful way to enhance your customer interactions and ensure that inquiries are handled efficiently. Let's dive into these detailed steps on setting up and maximizing your use of Salesforce's features. First, let's start by logging into Salesforce. This is your access point to the tools and settings we are going to use. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the gear icon, also known as the setup menu. Clicking on this icon will open up a world of customization and configuration options for your Salesforce environment. Now, in the setup menu, you'll find a search bar known as Quick Find. Here, you'll want to type in Knowledge Settings to easily locate and enable Salesforce knowledge. This feature is crucial as it allows you to create a repository for all your key information, FAQs, and solutions to common issues. Enabling this will help streamline your customer service by providing a centralized knowledge hub that can be accessed by both your team and your customers. Once Salesforce Knowledge is enabled, the next step is to create knowledge articles. These articles will form the backbone of your customer service content. Think about the frequently asked questions and common issues your customers face. By creating detailed articles on these topics, you provide a quick resolution path that users can access at any time. Well-crafted articles not only solve problems, but can significantly reduce the workload on your support team. Moving forward, let's enrich our system with AI capabilities. Go back to the Quick Find box and search for Einstein bots. Enable these AI-powered bots to provide a layer of self-service that links directly to your knowledge articles. Einstein bots can handle a range of straightforward queries, freeing up human agents for more complex customer interactions. It's a great way to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction by offering immediate assistance without the wait. After setting up your AI capabilities, focus on routing with omnichannel. Using the omnichannel tool, unresolved cases or complex queries that require a human touch can be efficiently routed to your available agents. This ensures no customer inquiry goes unattended and that skilled support staff can provide timely assistance. Finally, to measure the success of your enhancements, track and analyze deflection and resolution rates using Salesforce reports and dashboards. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you not only understand the impact of your knowledge base and AI integration, but can also use the data to continuously refine and improve your customer service approach. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to transforming your customer service processes using Salesforce's powerful tools. Not only will this setup improve your efficiency, but it will also vastly enhance the experience for your customers.